In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove shadow in Photoshop. So as you can see, I have a person skateboarding over here with a shadow, and I'm going to show you how to remove it. So in this case, it may not be logical to remove the shadow, however, this will work with most shadows you want to remove. So first off, zoom into your shadow, and then select a selection tool of your choice. Now the best one to use is usually the lasso tool or the quick selection tool. I'm going to use lasso tool for this instance, okay? And then you want to kind of roughly draw around the shadow, so make a selection around it. Don't be too precise. Just over here where there's an edge with another shadow, make sure you are quite precise. Like this, there we go. And then you want to finish this off, and then make sure to connect it. There we go. You've now got yourself a selection. And now, once you've done this, what you want to do is go up here to where it says edit, but before you do this, make sure you have the layer you want to delete the shadow from selected. And you want to go to edit, go to content aware fill, and then in a second over here, as you can see, this made the shadow disappear because it sampled this green part of the background and created kind of an overlay layered with AI, which made the shadow disappear. And what you want to do is press OK. And that's it, the layer has been added above that. But as you can see, there's still a little piece over here where there's still some shadow and it looks a bit weird. What you want to do is simply click this layer, hold down your shift key and click the other layer too, and then right click on them and click merge layers, which will merge the two layers, and then select the merged layer, and yet again do the exact same process, just kind of draw around the shadow over here like this, and then go into the edit and then content aware fill, and then kind of just play around with this to the point where you can't see the shadow anymore. Okay, so you can check your progress here on the right. As you can see, I can still see it, and if I rubber this some more, there we go, it looks a bit better now, like this. And you want to essentially play around until you basically can't see the shadow anymore. Okay, and I don't like this because you can see the edges, but earlier on when I just started, I think it was a bit better. Okay, like this, there we go, a bit more. Sometimes it takes a bit of playing around, but I think that's quite good. And once you're happy with your result, all you want to do is press OK yet again, and there we go. By the way, if you want to deselect what you had selected, just like I did over here, you want to press Ctrl D, which will deselect what you have selected, and there we go. You've got yourself an image without the shadow, and then you want to, again, hold down the Shift key, select both layers, merge layers, and you've got yourself a full image that you can export without any shadows.